Glossary in Biodiversity and Wildlife Management. Ecology, a branch of science concerned with the interrelationship of organisms and their environment, the study of ecosystems. Ecosystem are self-regulating communities of plants and animals interacting with each other, with their non-living environment, forests, wetlands, mountains, lakes, rivers, deserts, and agricultural landscapes. Ecosystem approach is a strategy for the integrated and management of land, water, and living resources that promotes conservation and sustainable use in an equitable way. Ecosystem diversity, the variety of ecosystems that occurs within a larger landscape ranging from biome to microhabitat. Ecosystem services are processes by which the environment produce benefits useful to people, akin to economic services including provision of clean water and air, pollination of crops. Ecotourism, travel undertaken to witness sites or regions of unique natural ecologic quality. Immigration, the departure of animals from one place to take up residence in another area. Endangered species, a species whose prospect of survival and reproduction is in immediate jeopardy. Ethology, the science study of animal behavior. Evolution, any gradual change or organic evolution is any genetic change in organisms from generation to generation. Ex situ conservation, a conservation method that entails the removal of germplasm resources. Extinction, the evolutionary termination of a species caused by the failure to reproduce and the death of all remaining members of the species. Fauna pertains to all species of animals in a given area or region. Feral, the reversal change of animal status and tamed to wildlife. Fish, a large group of water vertebrates with fins, gills, and usually with scales. Flora, the pertain to all species of plants in a given area or region. Food, an organic substance that contains the physiological needs of living organisms. Game animal, a group of animals that is allowed to be hunted or caught during the open season. Game animal management, an art of handling game animals living in the forest. Gene, the functional unit of heredity, the part of the DNA molecule that encodes a single enzyme or Structural protein unit. Gene bank, a facility established for the ex situ conservation of individuals, seeds, tissues, or reproductive cells of plants and or animals. Genetic diversity, the variety of genes within a particular population, species, variety, or breed. Grassroots, people or society at a local rather 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 than at the center of major political activity. Gregariousness, the ability of an animal to associate and live together in groups, flocks, or colonies. Habitat, the natural dwelling of an individual group of organisms. Habitat degradation, the diminishment of habitat quality, which results in reduced ability to support small patches interspersed with other habitats. Habitat improvement, the practical application of various techniques by changing the quality of wildlife placed in the forest. Habitat loss, the outcome of a process of land use in which a natural habitat type is removed and replaced by another habitat, such as converting natural areas to production sites. Home range, the physical area of an individual's normal activity of a particular species. Hotspot, an area on Earth with an unusual concentration of species, many of which are endemic to the area and which is under serious threat by people.